This is how it stands.
Another exciting evening at
Another exciting evening at 30 Blackwood Road.
53 Blackwood Road.
Hi, Julia. How are you?
Hi, Julie. How are you? Yes, sure.
Yeah, sure.
When's your birthday?
The 4th
When your birthday? The 4th of August.
That's Leo.
That's Leo.
You're a lion.
You are a lion.
What's wrong?
What's
Nothing.
wrong? Nothing.
What about you?
What about you?
My birthday's the 16th of March.
My birthday is the 16th of March. I'm a fish.
I'm a Pisces.
I'm a
Fish.
Pisces. A fish.
So what's the horoscope sign for this month?
May.
The first part is Taurus.
The first part is Taurus.
The bull. So
The
James
bull. So James a bull.
is a bull.
Is James'
Is James' birthday this month? When?
birthday this month? When?
The 13th.
The 13th. The 13th of May.
The 13th of May. It's the 11th of
But it's the 11th of May today.
May today. That's in 2 days.
That's today. Are you sure?
Are you sure?
That's what she said.
The 13th of May. It's the 11th of May today. That's in 2 days. Are you sure?
That's what she saw.
That's what she said.
Did you hear?
Did you hear?
No?
No?
It's Jane's birthday on Saturday.
It's Jane's birthday on Saturday.
Why don't we have
Why don't we have a party
a party?
In 2 days?
in 2 days?
Yeah.
A
Yeah.
surprise
A surprise party.
party.
Good idea, right? How many people?
Right. How many people?
Just the
Just the 4 of us. A meat, a cake, something to drink, please.
4 of us. Meal. The cake. Something to drink. Presents.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's make
Let's make a shopping list.
a shopping list.
I got it.
I got it.
Let's see it.
Let's see it.
That looks great.
That look great. Where did you get it?
Get it.
I bought it
Ow.
at Pascal's, you know, next to the bank.
I bought it at Pascal's. You know, next to the bank.
How much was it?
It's 15
How much was this? It was 15,000.
Did you get the candles?
Did you get the candles? You didn't get the candles.
You didn't get the candles.
I did.
I did.
Thank you.
When did
Thank
get
you.
them?
When does Jane get home?
Usually at 6:30.
Usually at 6:30 after her game of tennis.
After her game of tennis.
In about 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Oh no!
Oh no, she's ill. They will help me with this cake.
Matt, don't let her come into the
Matt, don't let her come into the kitchen. How? Take to here. 2 minutes.
Talk to her. 2 minutes. What do you want me to talk about?
What do you want to me? What do you want me to talk about?
Anything.
Anything.
Hi, Jane.
Hi Jane. Hi Matt.
Hey, let me.
Let me. Thanks. Do you have a nice day?
Did you have a nice day?
Yes.
Oh yes. What did you do?
What did you do?
I went shopping.
What did you buy?
I went shopping. What did you buy?
I bought a t-shirt.
I bought a t-shirt and some shoes
And some shoes. And I bought some food.
and I bought some food.
Matt,
Matt,
are you okay?
are you okay?
What else did you
What
do?
else did you do?
I played tennis.
I played tennis. Where?
Where?
At the sports center.
I had a good
I had a good day. Did you?
day.
Did you?
I got up at
I got up at about 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. And then I had breakfast.
Then I had breakfast. I had cornflakes and I had
I had cornflakes and I had toast and coffee. An orange juice. And then
An
I watched
orange.
television.
and then I watched television.
And then
Matt,
And then Matt,
please move.
please move
Now.
now. Happy birthday!
it's not your birthday.
It's not your birthday,
Matthew,
Matthew.
But you said it was the 13th of
But you said it was the 13th of May.
May.
the 30th of May.
The 30th of May, Matt, not the 13th.
Matt, not the 13th.
Then what do we do with all this food?
Then what do we do with on this food and drink?
We can still have.
We can still have a party.
Then what about the 30th?
And what about the 30th?
We can have a party then too.
We can have a party then too.
Sure.
Shoes?
Great. Two
Right.
parties.
2 parties,
But only one present, yeah?
but only 1 person. Yes. Oh, David. What? Really?
So that was the
Cheers.
surprise party. A real
So that was a surprise party. A real surprise everyone.
surprise for everyone.